Hello and welcome to another one of my amateur cooking videos. Today I'll be cooking a creamy garlic chicken dish. Yum! You'll need 2 large chicken breasts, some pasta, it's up to you how much, 1 cup of cream, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon of plain flour, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 3 garlic cloves, 2 shallots, 1 cup of parmesan cheese, a handful of spinach, some broccoli, 3/4 cup of chicken stock, which I forgot to include in the video, some parsley. Finally, you'll need some olive oil and some salt and pepper along the way. Quite a bit to remember there, so just check the description to see the full recipe list. Slice the breasts to make 4 pieces. Mix the chicken, salt and pepper, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, approx 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and marinate for about 10 to 20 minutes. Finally, chop the garlic and shallots and have 1 tablespoon of flour ready. Chop the spinach, broccolini, and have the chicken stock ready. Grate the parmesan cheese and chop the parsley. Maybe have some extra cheese to add to the dish at the end. Heat up a tablespoon of olive oil and a tablespoon of the butter and add the chicken on high heat. Cook approximately 5 to 6 minutes on both sides. Begin cooking the pasta. Put the chicken aside. Heat up a tablespoon of olive oil and a teaspoon of butter. Cook the onions for 1 minute. Cook the garlic for 1 minute. Then sprinkle a tablespoon of flour. After the flour is combined with the onions, add the 1 cup of cream and 3/4 cup of chicken stock. Cook and stir for about 5 minutes. Fry up the broccolini in another pan in some oil and butter. Add the chicken to the sauce, making sure it's covered. Then add the spinach and cook for about 5 to 10 minutes, or until cooked through. There you have it folks, it's one of my favourites and the family love it. Enjoy!